Hey everyone, it's Damira here. Welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back, and thank you so much for joining me for another video. I really appreciate it. Today's video is going to be about decorating my coffee bar for a little Halloween spooky vibe. Before we get started, I encourage you to subscribe to the Millennial Farmhouse. I like to share cleaning videos, coffee bars, and seasonal decorating. So this was my fall coffee bar, and I'm going to be taking everything off the fall coffee bar, but I'm not storing it away just yet because after Halloween we still have a month of fall, and I'll be decorating the coffee bar all over again with these fall items. However, I did want to do a little Halloween coffee bar. I don't usually decorate for Halloween, but I just felt like doing this year, so I decided, why not? Let's add a little something different to my coffee bar this time. I have this spider web tablecloth, and it is sheer, it's thin, and it's round, so I thought that that would be perfect to put on my coffee bar as the base. And then of course I added back in my espresso maker, as well as my knockbox and some tools. I have a DIY tray, so this was just a piece of cardboard that I added some paint and stenciled the word Happy Halloween to it. And I just did that because I wanted to still have a tray. Using a long bar like this for my coffee bar, it's very easy for things to feel separated and out of place, but a tray helps pull everything together. I'm just going to be playing around with everything that I have on the coffee bar. It's not a lot. Again, I don't usually decorate the coffee bar for Halloween, but I wanted to add in some things this year. Most of what I got came from either at home or Dollar Tree. Again, I didn't go too crazy. The only thing I will say is that the cauldron mug was a gift. It's actually a Harry Potter mug. It has the logo on the other side, but the logo didn't necessarily fit in with the little theme here, so I just turned it around and the logo's facing the back, but the cauldron works perfectly for a Halloween coffee bar. I have 3 cute little plastic cauldrons, and I put in some tea lights, the LED tea lights inside of 2 of them, and then in the 3rd one I put in my espresso spoons, and those are going to make a cute little scene that you'll see once the coffee bar is done. But I think I got those cauldrons from Dollar Tree, I believe. It was a pack of 6. So I'm using 3 here, and then I actually used 3 more on the coffee bar in my room. So in my room, I have my Keurig, and then I just have these 2 shelves that I decided to add a little bit of coffee bar decor to. Just because I use my Keurig on busy mornings, typically Monday through Friday, when I'm about to step out of the house and I just need a quick coffee that I can drink in my room while I'm getting ready for the day. But here, as you see me decorating my main coffee bar, this is where, when I have more time, I like to really stop and make myself a latte or something. And so this is what I usually decorate the most. That mirror as well as the red LED candle were both from At Home. Again, the little mini cauldrons were from Dollar Tree, and actually this soap dispenser that I have in my hand was from Burlington. And I just saw it, I thought it was really cute. Even though it's a soap dispenser, I'm using it for my coffee syrup. And I am using a s'mores syrup, which is just one of the best syrups for me during the fall. And so as you can see, I just played around with everything a lot until I got my desired look. And I think it looks really nice. Finally, I added in a little DIY sign that I made, I believe, last year. It just says it's October, Witches. My coffee bar turned out so well. I think it's beautiful. I absolutely adore it. And I'm glad I decided to decorate it for Halloween this year. I'm also going to be showing you just a little bit of what I put on the coffee bar in my room. Again, that's not a full coffee bar, but it's just something nice to have in my room. And so I decided to go with some iridescent items to get in the Halloween spirit. And I'll show you that in a moment. So this is the coffee bar area in my room. I have plans to set up a full coffee bar in the room, but again, this is what I'm using in the meantime, and it works out for now. And as you can see, I added some iridescent mugs and vases, as well as some decor on that other shelf. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you'll consider subscribing to the Millennial Farmhouse, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.